Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to run my biomedical demo. So to start with, you have to go to the GitHub website where I upload my programs. So on the right hand corner, you will find a link where you can click on to copy the URL. So after that, you can go to the command mode in your desktop and put on git clone with your URL. It's just supposed to download all the code and repositories that's in the up on the GitHub. So you will find a AMQP demo folder that's downloaded. That's created under the folder. So by going to the folder, you will see all this directory that were downloaded. So it's important that you find the install folder. So by going into the install folder, this is where you put the AMQ product in from where you've downloaded from the website into this folder. So after placing the zip file, the AMQ zip file into the install folder, you can start installing the demo by executing the init.shell. So after executing the init.shell, everything should be installed for you. So everything from the GitHub should be installed for you, right? So let's go back to the command line. You should find a target folder that's created after your installation. The target folder is where the actual AMQ product is installed. So by going into the target folder, you will find the AMQ folder with the current version is running on, and my version is 6.1. So going to the 6.1 folder, you will find all the data and the directory of the AMQ. So go into the bin folder. The bin folder contains all the execution file for the AMQ. So to start running the AMQ, just execute the AMQ file. It should automatically start up the AMQ for you. So once the AMQ has started, go to the project directory under the folder that we've just downloaded from GitHub. And within the project folder, you will find the AMQ example.web. That's where the whole product is installed. So within the product, just run maven and jetty run, and then it should run the whole biomedical dashboard for you. So after it started, go to the localhost A2 and the demo bio dashboard. It's where my dashboard is located. So with this demo, what we're trying to do is we simulate a multiple medical sensor that pick up the vital signs of different parts of body, like the breath rate, or the heart rate, or the blood pressure, and the whole signal will pick up and put it into different queue of within the messaging platform, and the dashboard is later on pick up all the vital sign messages from the message platform and will display to the dashboard, and it's all done through AMQP protocol. So let's come and look at the actual code that's running. The most two important part of the code is the producer and consumer. So with the producer, it's pretty easy. The most important part is to assign the context factory with the Apache Cupid projects. So this is where we put in the Apache Cupid projects. And the other part is that we have to tell our program where to look for our broker. So inside my JMS factory, I'm going to tell where to find my broker, and also tell my program where to find all the queues are. So this is where I load my property files. So after I load my property files, the rest is normal JMS API. So JMS API is pretty easy. So the producer and consumer are both running the JMS API. So there's not much difference. It's all JMS. Right. So before we go, we have to look at the POM file, because I want to point out that if you are using the Apache Cupid project, don't forget to put in the dependency in your POM folder, the POM XML. Just don't forget to put it inside, so it will automatically download the whole library for you. So that's pretty much about it for the program. So the rest of it is just simple WebSocket programming. There's not much difference. So now we're gonna start up our demo. To start, just press the start button. So so it's gonna simulate all the vital sign and push it into the messaging server. And the sensor sends the data in every 5 seconds. So every 5 seconds, it's gonna pick up a new digits and display on the graph that's on the dashboard. So with AMQ, we have a console that displays very good statistics on for the AMQ. So in the AMQ tab, you'll find all the stats that's like the number of queues coming in, the number of messages going out, all the stats within it, and the connectors that's been used by the messaging broker, such as OpenWire and AMQ. So this is pretty much about it. The sensors is sending out information and the broker is receiving message. And to stop the program, just press stop. And thanks for watching.